observation? I want to hear a manifestation of support from Honorable Edwin Pangilinan, please.
Maraming salamat po na binibigay kayo pansin. Bilang bahagi at membro po ng Komitiban ng Edukasyon. At talagang itong hangaring ito, itong hakbang na ito na magkaroon ng isang memorandum of agreement, isa ito sa pinaka-magandang paraan. Ito ang pinaka-madalian na mangyayari o gagawin ng LGU, hindi sa kung kailan darating yung mga estudyante at isa papago-bago taon-taon. Ito is incoterminous sa MUA na isa lang. At this is for senior high schools as I meron pa dyan maliban sa senior. So, inumungkahin po ang aking suporta na ito ay talagang makabuluhan at makatulong po sa ating mga kabataan na para hindi po balik-balik po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Honorable Pangilinan, for that manifestation of support. I will say this again, the intention of the author is so commendable, laudable, no? Na iinggit ang dating administrasyon sa ganitong inisyatibo ng ating kasama dito sa Sangguniang Bayan para hindi na mahirapan ang mga estudyante, mga paaralan, at lalo-lalo na ang ating alkalde sa magbigay ng patugot sa mga estudyante gustong mag-immerse dito sa ating lokal na pamahalaan. Thank you po. Any other manifestation? Yes, Honorable Daniels.
There is no further deliberation, Madam Chair. I move to close the period of deliberation.
There is a motion to close the period of deliberation. Duly seconded by Honorable Swifty Galang Lagarder. Any objection? None. The motion is carried. The period of deliberation is hereby closed.
Madam President,
Yes, Honorable Daniels.
I move to open the period of amendments.
Motion to open the period of amendment is made by Honorable Nalios, duly seconded by Honorable Asgapo. Any objection? None. Period of amendment is now open. Yes, Honorable Escalada, please.
Presiding, I move to amend the word different to various as part of the two under in the title of the proposed resolution to read as resolution giving authority to the local chief executive Honorable Ricardo F. Constantino, municipal mayor, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with various senior high school as post-training establishment for the implementation of work immersion program to senior high school under enhanced education program for K-12 in the municipality of Manor. That is a motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Escalada. Mr. Secretary, did you get the amendments made or proposed by Honorable Escalada? You want me to propose it again? Instead of the word different, change it into various.
To read as resolution authorizing Honorable Reynaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malur, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with various educational institutions within the territorial jurisdiction of the municipality relative to the implementation of the work immersion program for the qualified senior high school students.
Honorable Nalios, are you amenable with the proposal?
Yes, Madam Chair.
I second to that motion.
Okay. Mr. Secretary, can you read it aloud? Before I make a ruling.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. The amendment introduced by the Good Councilor from Poblacion is as follows. Resolution giving authority to the Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malumon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or MOA with various educational institutions within the territorial jurisdiction of the County of Malumon relative to the implementation of the work immersion program for qualified senior high school students.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Honorable Escapo.
Madam Chair.
There is a motion for a recess. Duly seconded by Honorable Tanduyan. Any objection? None. Recess for 2 minutes. Order is restored. Mr. Secretary, what is the parliamentary situation?
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. The draft resolution title is as follows. Resolution authorizing the Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malumon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or MOA with various educational institutions within the territorial jurisdiction of the municipality relative to the implementation of the work immersion program for qualified senior high school students.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. So you have read the amended version as proposed by Honorable Escalada.
Yes.
Okay, so we are now in the period of amendment. Am I right? Thank you, Mr. Secretary. So there is a motion from Honorable Escalada to change the word different to various. Is duly seconded by Honorable Pangilan. Any objection? Hearing none, the proposed resolution is hereby amended by changing the word different to various. Any motion for amendment, observation from the members of the Sangguniang? Any suggestion? None? Thank you. So what is the pleasure of the Honorable Lalios?
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to close the period of amendments.
There is a motion to close the period of amendment, duly seconded by Honorable Edilberto Yuzo. Any objection? None? The motion is carried. Period of amendment is hereby closed.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Lalios, please.
I move for the approval of the said resolution, entitled Resolution Authorizing Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malumon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or MOA with various educational institutions within the territorial jurisdiction of the municipality relative to the implementation of the work immersion program for qualified senior high school students with amendments, Madam Chair, for second and final reading.
Thank you, Honorable Lalios. Any objection? There is a motion from Honorable Lalios to approve a resolution authorizing Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malumon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or MOA with various educational institutions within the territorial jurisdiction of the municipality relative to the implementation of the work immersion program for qualified senior high school students, duly seconded by Honorable Rodrigo Malek Jr. There being no objection, this resolution is hereby approved with amendments for second reading.
Second.
Second and final reading. Next item, please.
Next item, Honorable Presiding Officer, number 2 under second reading is a draft resolution entitled Resolution Authorizing the Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malungon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or MOA with different educational institutions relative to the implementation of the on-the-job training OJT internship program for qualified college students.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Honorable Nalios, please approach the rostrum again.
Madam Chair, may I present the draft resolution authorizing Honorable Rinaldo Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malungon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or more with different educational institutions relative to the implementation of the on-the-job training or OJT internship program for qualified college students. So, Madam Chair, everybody has a copy of the said resolution, so I want to dispense the reading of the whereas and to go directly to the period of
There is a motion to dispense with the reading of the whereases. Duly seconded by Honorable Yuzon. Any objection? None. Motion is approved.
Madam Chair,
Please proceed.
motion to open the period of deliberation.
There is a motion to open the period of deliberation. Duly seconded by Honorable Lagardel. Any objection? None. The period of deliberation is now open. Yes, Honorable Escalada, please.
Madam Chair, manifestation, observation, the word different, also would like to change to various. The third line,
Yes.
I second.
Thank you. We will just preserve that later during the period of amendment. But thank you for opening that up to the Sanggunian. Any manifestation? I would like to hear a manifestation of support from our SK Federation President, Honorable Jericho Tacluyan.
Madam Chair, thank you. As to the draft resolution for the authorization of our local chief executive, the memorandum of agreement, Madam Chair, says to formalize the partnership of the LGU and various institutions. It is high time for us to craft such legislative measure for the convenience of college students who took OJT in this unit. First, Madam Chair, it is beneficial for both the parties in the aspect of time and schedule. Second, for students who are financially inclined, kaya hindi naman sila magbalik-balik to update kung napirmahan pa or wala ang MOA. Third, Madam Chair, the MOA is timely na siya ay the previous na ginabuhat nato is the OJT daan. Ginabuhat nato is OJT daan saka na ang MOA. And now because of this legislative measure, MOA signed and OJT na. So that, Madam Chair, this representation, I am heartily supporting the passing of the resolution of the authorization of the Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino of the letter into a memorandum of agreement with various educational institutions, Madam Chair.
Thank you for that manifestation of support, Honorable Tacluyan. Indeed, this legislative measure is one of the laudable measures or policy actions that the 16th Sanggunian has made. With that, I would like to hear a personal quote from the author himself, Honorable Edilberto Yungzon.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, binibining taga-pamahalan. Actually, my heartfelt thanks to the member of the committee for their support with this mission, binibining taga-pamahalan. And then I have some observation. Actually, this is not an objection, but an observation in third whereas binibining taga-pamahalan na ang nakalagay po ay qualified senior high school. Actually, that was observed by my shipmate, Honorable Edmund Pangilan, sa third whereas nakalagay na qualified senior high school, which is college student po. Dapat. Yun na po, siyempre may as an author of this resolution, simply my certain thanks, not only to the committee, but to the members of the 16th Municipal Council. Thank you. Maraming salamat po, David, taga-Panasip.
Maraming salamat sa ating author ng policy na ito. And dahil nabanggit mo na rin, Honorable Yuzon, yung observation mo dun sa qualified senior high school na nakasulat sa isang whereases, please reserve that during the period of amendment. Thank you. Any other manifestation from the floor? Question, clarification? None? Yes, Honorable Dalio.
Chair, I move to close the period of deliberation.
There is a motion to close the period of deliberation. Duly seconded by Honorable Strictly Galang Lagarder. Any objection? None. The period of deliberation is now closed.
Yes, Madam Chair, I move to open the period of amendments.
There is a motion to open the period of amendments. Duly seconded by Honorable Erwin Escapo. Any objection? None. The period of amendment is now open. Honorable Escalada, please. Make the proper motion that you have said during the period of deliberation. Thank you.
Madam Chair, I move to amend the word different to various in the title of the proposed resolution to read as resolution authorizing Honorable Reynaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malungon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with various educational institutions relative to the implementation of the on-the-job training internship program for qualified college students. There is a motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you. There is a motion to change the word different to various, duly seconded by Honorable Escapo. Any objection? None. The motion is carried. Honorable Yuzon, please.
Maraming salamat po, David, taga-Panasip. Under third whereas, ang Marapong Senior High School ay pagtas po ng college. That is a motion.
Thank you, Honorable Yuzon. The word senior high school be changed to college students. That is a motion made by Honorable Yuzon, duly seconded by Honorable Ernesto Aligario Jr. Any objection? None. Motion is carried. Any other motion for amendment? Any observation? None. Honorable Nalios, please.
Yes, Madam Chair, I move to close the period of amendments.
There is a motion from Honorable Nalios to close the period of amendments duly seconded by Honorable Romel Retuya. Any objection? None. Period of amendment is hereby closed.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Honorable Nalios.
Chair, I move for the approval of the said resolution entitled Resolution Authorizing Honorable Rinaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malungon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement or MOA with the various educational institutions relative to the implementation of the on-the-job training or OJT internship program for qualified college students with amendments, Madam Chair, for second reading, second and final reading.
Thank you. There is a motion to approve a resolution authorizing Honorable Reynaldo F. Constantino, Municipal Mayor of Malungon, to enter into a memorandum of agreement MOA with various educational institutions relative to the implementation of the on-the-job training OJT internship program for qualified college students. This motion is duly seconded by Honorable Edmond Pangilan. Any objection? None. The motion is approved with amendments for second and final reading.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Secretary, next item please.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. Number 3 under second reading is a draft resolution entitled Resolution respectfully requesting the South Cotabato 2 Electric Cooperative Incorporated or SOCOTIC 2 to immediately address the inconveniences experienced by the member consumers owner or MCOs on payment during peak hours, delay in distribution of electric bills, slow reconnection, lack of local hotline numbers, frequent power fluctuation, and unannounced brownouts.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. May I request the chairman of the Committee on Trade, Industry and Consumer Welfare to use the middle restroom. Thank you, Honorable Ascapo. Please proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. In my position is the draft resolution for the request to South Cotabato Development Authority to address the inconvenience experienced by the members of the owners on payment during peak hours, the distribution of electric bills, slow reconnections, lack of local landline numbers, frequent power fluctuations, and unannounced brownouts. All of this is in the resolution of the society. The members are amenable or we will agree, we will dispense the remaining programs and for the sake of the conduction of the hearing, I can promote the deliberation.
Thank you, Honorable Ascapo. There is a motion to open the period of deliberation, duly seconded by Honorable Luzon. Any objection? None. The period of deliberation is now open.
Thank you, Madam Presiding. As a particular going is Madam Presiding. This reference is noted by the Global Articles of Villarreal. Address the legal concern office of the Horticulture for the right concerns of as I said, examination of the Presiding. And first, we all know that the only office that will as a source and problem is this political law. So this is just a manifestation of request or appeal to the said concerned office by passing the form of resolution to Madam Presiding. I said to the floor, Madam Presiding, for any deliberation.
Thank you, Honorable Ascapo. Any manifestation, clarification?
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Romel Retuya, please. Ikaw ba ay komportable magsalita ng Tagalog o mas makakapili mo sa salita sa wikang Ingles?
Madam President, mas nakakarapat ko magsalita ng English. Madam President.
English pa talaga. Sige. Honorable Retuya, kung saan ka komportable.
Thank you, Madam President. Good afternoon to everyone in the sponsoring chairman. So, the draft resolution is, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Representative Officer because
Madam Presiding
Madam-
Officer, please address the chair
Madam
properly.
Presiding.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President. Welcome, Madam President, the Presiding Officer manifest during the resource person affair during the committee hearing, Madam President. And the sponsoring chair agreed that the resource person not appealing the consumers, Madam President. But and the second year assist, Madam President, how can you evaluate the joint bill payments, especially in the peak hours, Madam President? The all observation, Madam President. That is my observation, Mr. Presiding Officer. How can you evaluate the way
The experience inconveniences that have been enumerated.
about the five observations
Yes.
while the committee hearing be proceed, Madam Presiding Officer?
How did, so you want to know, Honorable Retuya, if how did the committee validate
Yes, ma'am.
or evaluate the enumerated inconveniences by the author
Yes.
of this resolution? Thank you. Is the sponsoring committee ready to answer the question, or you would want to answer, you would want the author to answer?
Thank you, Madam President.
Yes, Honorable Asgapo.
I would like to select the wisdom on the author of the presiding. And the author is present today. So, the significant is that I would pass the already said, Madam President, yun ang mga markets of the area.
Thank you, Honorable Asgapo. May I request the author himself, Honorable Villarreal, to address the input of our colleague in Saguyan. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, pinipiling ng Pangulo. Para po sa halaman ng lahat, ang inyong lingkod, magpupuon bilang konsihal, bumabanid yung ating Board of Director ng Socoteco na aking po asawa. Kung natatandaan nyo. So, bilang asawa ng isang former Board of Director, isa din former Board of Director, marami po tumatawag sa akin, maraming mga posts, maraming mga doon sa mga problema na gano'n. Actually, yung mga problema na nilagay dyan is pinaabot na sa taas ng Socoteco. Kaya lang, yun na nga, ang sabi ko, nung upo ako bilang konsihal, wala na rin tayong Board of Director. So wala na po magpapalo-up doon sa mga problema na hinahatid na makonsume sa inyong Board of Director. Kaya po naisipan ko na iutor na kung pwede i-request yung Socoteco para hindi naman mapabayaan yung mga problema na dinadaing ng konsumante ng Socoteco. Yun po ang naisip ko, Madam Pinipiling Tagapangulo.
Salamat sa sagot na iyong binahagi sa kagalang-galang ng Sanggunian. Honorable Retuya, satisfied with the answer of our colleague?
Thank you to the author, Presiding Officer. And I believe one of the consumers during the presentation of the resolution by the Lord Madam Presiding Chair, almost 50,400 consumers.
Yes.
This is going to Madam Presiding. But the resolution, I know the sponsoring chair, that is the information of the office about the implementation of this Socoteco within the Madam Presiding.
Honorable Asgapo, are you competent to answer the query of Honorable Redulla?
Pardon ko lang Presiding. Actually, sabi ka tawag query. Hindi ko po masyadong narinig yun.
Please repeat the question, Honorable Redulla.
The draft resolution that I'm presenting is not the board, but the intention of the resolution that is the information of the Socotico to the consumer of the Socotico and presenting.
Are you ready to answer, Honorable Asgapo?
It's draft resolution that I'm presiding, and as a part of the committee or trade and industry, this is not only an information to this August body, but to pass it to the, sabi ko na, to the appropriate, for appropriate action of the Socotico to representing. Because we cannot act on this problem representing if we don't pass for solution to this concern of this Socotico to representing. So we will pass the resolution to representing.
Thank you, Honorable Asgapo. But I get the point of Honorable Redulla that out of the 20,400 plus consumers, the Sangguniang will pass this resolution to the concerned agency, and there might be some apprehension as to the listed inconveniences without clearing how did we validate the alleged inconveniences presented herein. So, if the good councilor is already satisfied with the answer of the sponsoring committee, as well as the author of the resolution, then the presiding officer will have to make a proper ruling for the proposed motion. Thank you, Honorable Redulla. Yes, Honorable Villarreal, please.
Salamat po, pinipiling tagapangulo. Dagdag na sagot lang po doon sa tanong ng ating konsihal galing Barangay P. Laurel. Kaya po natin pinapatawag yung mga resource person dahil masigurado din na kung tama yung nilagay ko dyan na mga problema ng consumer. Doon sa nagawang committee hearing po, committee meeting, pinapatunayan po nila na tama lahat ng aking nilagay na concerns doon sa ginagawang resolution. Sabi po nila, meron po sila mga sagot na meron na rin silang ginawa ng mga aksyon. Kasi po, kung titingnan natin, nung dating board of director pa po ako, ang consumer lang po is 4,000. 4,000. Ngayon, nasa 20,416. So, 5 times na yun sa dami na ngayon. Yung dealer nila, dalawa lang. No, dalawa din. Ngayon, dalawa pa rin. Yung layman nila, instead na dapat 7, binawasan nila ng 2. So, 5 na lang. Meron lang isang tawag consumer's account na yun ang dapat magharap doon sa may mga problema at concern na hindi dapat ginagawa ng dealer. Kasi dapat ang dealer, 1 minuto, bababa lang dapat yung isang consumer sa harap nila. So kung haharapin nila pati yung problema ng isang consumer, aabot ng 3 to 5 minutes yun bago maalis yung isang consumer sa upuan ng dealer. So walang consumer's account dito sa Malalag, dito lang sa poblasyon. So 2. So masyado talagang inconvenience doon sa mga consumer member. So ang isang dealer, ang dapat sikasuhin nila is nasa 10,000 na higit. Yung schedule ng pagbayad ng Socoteco is 10 days lang binibining tagapangulo. Kasi yung iba daw is reading, pag abot ng schedule ng bayan, nasa 10 days lang yun. So, yung techniques na yun dapat makabayan yung 20,000 sa 2 pillar lang. No, yun po ang
Okay. So,
pinipili ng Pangulo.
salamat. Pareha nga ng nabanggit kanina ni Konsehal Romel Rivilla, napaka-notable nitong measure na ito. Pero dahil tayo ay gustong maklaro yung validity ng isagawang meeting, salamat sa dagdag na kaalaman nung nasabi mo na even ang mga taga-Socoteco, amenable sila na yung mga nakalista sa resolution na ginawa ng ating kasamang Konsehal Villarreal, yung offer itong resolution na ito, amenable yung Socoteco na may galing talagang problema na hinaharap yung mga consumers at dapat yung aksyonan ng appropriate agency. So with that, thank you for giving us much clarity on this measure. Any other manifestation? Yes, Honorable Susie Galan Lagardo, you are recognized.
The presiding officer of my query was answered by the two gentlemen coming from Barangay Lampan. So, I will make my manifestation.
Make it clear, from Barangay Lampan or Barangay Lampan?
Barangay Lampan.
Ang Lampan, natatang. Okay. Please proceed.
Inang tagapangulo, kagalang-galang ng mga kasamahan. Ako po ay tumayo upang ipahayag ang aking buong suporta sa inakda Kagawad Mark Henson Villarreal na taimtim na nananawagan sa pagkabago cooperative na agarang tugunan ang matagal na reklamo at agariang patuloy na nararanasan ng ating mga kababayan, ang mga member consumer owners ng bayan ng Maguinot. Muli at muli, bilang isang punong barangay, naririnig ko mismo mula sa aking mga taong nasasakupan ang kanilang mga hinaing. Sa mahabang bilang tuwing abalang oras, pagkakaantala ng mga electric bill, mabagal na proseso ng reconnection at hindi sumasagot na hotline. Mismo po ako naka-experience. At madalas na brownout na walang paunang abiso. Ang mga problema nito ay hindi lamang sagabal sa araw-araw na gawain, kundi nagdudulot din ito ng panganib sa kabuhayan, edukasyon at kaligtasan ng bawat tahanan. Pinupuri ko po ang may inisyatibo ng may akda sa pagbibigay pansin sa mga lehitimong suliranin at pagsisigurong ang kapulungan nito ay nananatiling bukas, maagap at tumutugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating nasasakupan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Honorable Lagarder. That validates the committee report, the committee meeting made by the sponsoring committee, as well as the initiative of our Honorable Villarreal. With that, Honorable Lagarder, thank you for the manifestation of support. Yes, Honorable Asgapo, please.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So I submit to the answer or the response of some members. Kasi alam ko Madam President that the author of this resolution is very reliable about the all concerns, my concern, because the honorable from that part is our previous board of director of Socoteco, and next is your wife, is the next board of director. So that's why I am very satisfied or confident that I will give the floor to the author of the resolution. For that, Madam President, if there are no more deliberation from the floor, I promote to question the deliberation.
Okay, thank you. But before I rule on that motion, I want to hear the voice, reliable voice of our former municipal engineer, our Honorable Rodrigo Pato Jr. on his stand regarding this resolution offered by Honorable Villarreal.
Thank you. I support the observation of the member of the
Consumer Welfare, Committee on Consumer Welfare.
because I also, aside from the business president, I also experienced the observation of the author of the concept. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Balan. There is a pending motion from Honorable Lascano to close the period of deliberation.
Before the ruling, Madam.
Yes, Honorable Lascano.
Submit to the floor if there are proposal for the any amendments later on the caption for the presiding if there are proposal for the amendments. No?
Is there any proposal? None? I believe there is none.
I therefore move, Madam President, to close the period of deliberation.
There is a motion to close the period of deliberation, duly seconded by Honorable Sweetie B. Galang Lagerberg. Any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
I move to open the period of amendments, Madam President.
There is a motion to open the period of amendments, duly seconded by Honorable Yunzon. Any objection? None, the period of amendment is now open. Any motion for amendment?
If there is none, Madam Presiding,
Yes, Honorable Lascano.
this citizen there is no amendments, Madam Presiding. Therefore move to close the period of amendments.
There is a motion to close the period of amendments, duly seconded by Honorable Ernesto Alegario Jr. Any objection? None, period of amendment is hereby closed.
Final motion, Madam Presiding.
Yes, Honorable Lascano.
Motion for the approval of the resolution this week for requesting the Circular Market Incorporated for address the conveniences, experience by the members, consumers, owners, on payments during peak hours, the redistribution of electric bills, loan recollections, lack of local hotline numbers, frequent power fluctuation, and unannounced burnouts for second and final reading, Madam Presiding. That is a motion.
There is a motion from Honorable Lascano to pass a resolution respectfully requesting the South Cotabato 2 Electric Cooperative Incorporated to address the inconveniences experienced by the members, consumers, owners on payment during peak hours, delay in distribution of electric bills, low reconnections, lack of local hotline numbers, frequent power fluctuations, and unannounced brownouts. Duly seconded by Honorable Ken Cesar Navios. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
Thank you, Madam Presiding.
Thank you, Honorable Lascano. Mr. Secretary, next item, please.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. Next item, 0.3.c, third reading.
Any matter under this item? None? Next item, please.
Next item, Honorable Presiding Officer, letter 0.4, unassigned or new business.
None? Next item, please.
Next item, Honorable Presiding Officer, letter P, announcement. Number 1, advisory from DILG Malungon, election of officers and board of directors of the PCL Sarangani Federation Incorporated for the term 2025 to 2028 for information.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. May I know from the members of this Sanggunian what date and what time the PCL election is? Are we aware already? Mr. Secretary, when is this?
The date for this one, according to the letter of the DILG, is on August 18,
August 18, venue.
2025, to be held at Greenleaf Hotel at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Please mark your calendar for the PCL election. Thank you. Next item, please.
Next item, Honorable Presiding Officer, number 2 under letter P, Memorandum Order number 007, Series of 2025, attendance to the Civil Society Organizations Conference and Legislative Agenda Consultation on August 6, 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall for information.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Just an iteration of this item. The Committee on Accreditation as well as the CSO desk, our planning officer, Sir Richard Saladillo, has scheduled the orientation of the CSOs on August 6. And in compliance with our LMA concerns, we will also have our consultation with CSOs in order to get their support as well as their idea and sentiments for the Sangguniang to craft meaningful legislations and include that in our legislative agenda. So we expect, the presiding officer is expecting the attendance of the members of this August body on August 6. Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Next item, please.
Number T under letter P, Honorable Presiding Officer, Memorandum Order number 008, Series of 2025, attendance to Legislative Agenda Formulation on August 7, 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall for information.
Thank you again. Just a reminder to all the members of this council as well as the members of the SB Secretariat and all the legislative staff, we will have a scheduled formulation of legislative agenda on August 7 after we solicited advices or guidance from our CSOs prior to that date. So with that, the program flow and the matrix have already been prepared by the Office of the Vice Mayor in partnership with the SB Secretariat. I would like to request the presence of our former councilor, Victor Padernilla, to join us in this two-day event for your assistance also to this 16th Sangguniang Bayan. We will start our meeting / formulation at exactly 9 o'clock in the afternoon, in the morning, and we hope to finish the formulation before 5 p.m. That depends on how participative we are, and I hope that all the members of this council have prepared their legislative priorities in order to integrate your priorities to the collegial body's priorities and submit this to our local chief executive for the integration of the executive and the legislative agenda. Thank you po. Any other announcement from the members? Honorable Romel Reguilla, please.
Thank you, Madam President. Committee on Police and Order and a Public Safety, Madam Presiding Officer, on August 5. Tomorrow, 8:30 in the morning. I would like to request the members of this committee member, Honorable Ian Cesar Nalios, Honorable Edmund Pangilan, Liga President, Honorable Shudlimi Galing Gagander, the Vice Chairperson, Honorable Ligo Panik. We will having the committee meeting regarding the resolution encouraging the reserve Ako easy graduates to join the military army reserve forces pursuant to Republic Act number C-57, otherwise known as the Citizen Armed Forces of the Philippines. Revised Act of 1991, authored by Honorable Kiana Cesar Nalios.
Thank you. All the members of the Committee on Police, Peace and Order, Fire and Public Safety, please be reminded of your committee meeting tomorrow, 10:30 in the morning. 8:30 in the morning. Honorable Escalada, please. Followed by Honorable Edwin Favela.
Good afternoon once again. Announcement, Committee on Revenue and Economic Enterprise, tomorrow 10 a.m. at session on, we'll be having our committee meeting.
Please be reminded, members of the Committee on Revenue, you will have your committee meeting 10 o'clock in the morning.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I will make an announcement to the Committee on Health, Nutrition and Sanitation in behalf of the Chair, Honorable Elwin Lascano. We have 3 subject matter or items, which is one is the memorandum of agreement for Dr. Pinky Sano Rayo, and second is the MOA for Dr. Esther Lanel G. Alon, and third is the MOA as service provider with Sarangani Provincial Hospital, Maluma. Members, the chairman, Honorable Tascapo, and Vice, yours truly, members, Honorable Tanduyan, Honorable Villarreal, and Honorable Escalada. So, 1 to 3 p.m. Expected.
That's tomorrow, Honorable Pangilinan.
Yes,
Please be reminded of your committee meeting, Committee on Health, Nutrition and Sanitation.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any other announcement? None? What is the pleasure of the council? Yes, Honorable Fale.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I move to adjourn.
There is a motion for adjournment from Honorable Fale. Duly seconded by Honorable Pangilinan and Honorable Aguirre. Any objection? None? So at exactly 2:59 in the afternoon of August 4, 2025, the 6th regular session is hereby adjourned until our next regular session on August 11,